know I can be what I want to be. If I work at it, I can be what I want to be. Be boys and girls.
My name is Mustafa Maalin. I'm a student at the University of East London studying illustration. I'm in the third year of university, and it's where it gets really professional. So we have to make actual products and actual items that we can actually sell. Illustration kind of chose me. It's something that I've always wanted to do. I was always doodling on all the books that I could find. Illustration lets me be me and my ideas, and it has no limits to what I can do. It's up to my imagination, it's up to what I think of. I see myself like, drawing everywhere I am. Either if I'm traveling to uni or from uni on a train, I'm always on my tablet drawing the next design. My biggest achievement so far is my online business that I'm doing right now, selling my design, my products in different forms, such as t-shirts and beddings and fashion items. I'd love to make a business out of it and actually get a good income and spread art as much as I can. The end goal is to have my own company, my own business, my own clothing line, and be able to open different shops all around the world and sell my product, but mostly my drawings and my artwork.